Here's how to generate tenancy agreements on Homz.ng. As a landlord or property manager, generating a tenancy agreement is essential for effective property management. With Homz, creating general agreements in Word or PDF formats is quick and easy. Now follow these steps to generate and download your tenancy agreement effortlessly. Step 1. If you have not already done so, create an account on Homz.ng or log into your existing account and you will be taken to your dashboard. See how to create an account as a property manager here. Step 2. On the left hand panel of your dashboard, click on the document generation section. Step 3. Click on generate new documents. Step 4. Select tenancy agreements. Step 5. Put in the name of your document and click on the next button. Step 6. Fill out the form with all the necessary information and click the Save and Generate button. Step 7. Here you can preview your document, edit it, and download it by clicking the Download Documents As icon. Select either a PDF or Word document. Now step 8. For PDF formats, click on the Print section in the bottom right pop-up panel. This will download the document to your local storage. For Word formats, your location storage is open to save the documents. Step 9. Click on My Documents to preview your documents or generate new documents to generate a new document. Sounds confusing, but it's easy, trust me. And there you go, you have successfully generated a new tenancy agreement. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more information with Homz.ng. See you soon. Have a lovely day.